I Love Cats, written by Marjorie Mary Hurst, illustrated by Ginny Rendall. I love cats. Fat cats and thin cats and short cats and long. Cats that sit on rooftops and fill the night with song. Ginger cats and marmalade. Black and white and gray. Purry cats and furry cats, and cats who love to play. Cats with shiny green eyes, cats whose eyes are blue, and even those unusual cats, each eye a different hue. Cute cats and tough cats and ordinary tabbies, Siamese and Persian cats and dainty little abbies. Cuddly cats and scratchy cats. In fact, I love them all. I wish I had 100 cats to come each time I call.